Let me show you how to make a knit one front and back, which is a way of increasing a stitch. So when you've come to the stitch that you want to increase, go to knit, just as you would normally, wrap the yarn behind, pull the new loop through on the right-hand needle, but do not release the loop off of the left-hand needle. Instead, what you're going to do is you're going to take your right-hand needle and you're going to go back into that same stitch from the top through the bottom, out the back. So that's the back part of the knit one front and back. Wrap the yarn, pull the needle back through, the right-hand needle back through with the loop on, and now you're going to release this old loop off of your left-hand needle, and you're going to see that you've increased one stitch. So let me show that to you again. Come to the stitch you want to increase. You're going to go in as if to knit. You're going to, in fact, knit. Pull the right-hand needle back out. Do not release the loop off of your left-hand needle. Instead, take your right-hand needle, put it back in that stitch on your left-hand needle from the top out through the back. So that's the back part of the knit one front and back. Wrap the yarn to knit. Pull your right-hand needle back through with the loop on it. And now you're going to release the loop off of your left-hand needle. And you'll see again that you've increased one stitch. And that's how you knit one front and back.